Hi, I'm Madalena Ponte. I'm a researcher at LNEC, the National Laboratory for Civil Engineering, which is one of the ERIES facilities. But I first met ERIES when I was a PhD student. I applied together with a user group team to the ERIES Restoring project. And I worked there at the end of my PhD and also as a postdoc. Together with University of Lisbon and University of Pavia and University of Barcelona. It was a very nice project that helped me know more people, learn a lot of new methods, and work with a top-level facility, the U Center Laboratory. After this project, I started working as a researcher at LNEC, where I also have a contact with a lot of ERIES user groups. So now I'm working from the other side, from the facility side, which has also been very interesting and has helped me also to work on a lot of different projects with a lot of different experiments from other fields where I was not working before. Since I've been part of a user group in ERIES, I've had the opportunity to go to a lot of conferences, meet a lot of people, talk about my work, and this has helped me also a lot in my career and also as a researcher in LNEC.